hello to Luna. This is my lazy fluffy. Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I have my daughter with me.
Hi.
This is Jada Reynosa, and today we are going to both be trying out this rice water treatment and seeing how it feels on our hair. I actually did a jar for both of us. I put a cup of rice in this and filtered water, and I let it sit in my cabinet for 24 hours. I also added lavender oil into it since I was told that the smell can be pretty bad and really strong. So in order to mask that smell, I threw that oil in there, and we're gonna see if it worked. You wanna open it up and see how it smells very carefully?
Smell it.
Yeah, I hope you don't either, because that would be very gross if it stinks. What does it smell like?
It smells like lavender.
Okay, good. We've accomplished our mission in masking the smell. Supposedly it can get pretty nasty and start to smell like rotten eggs. I'm sure the longer it sits, the worse it gets. So I didn't want to take a chance. I know that if it sits in the cabinet for at least 24 hours, you're good. You're getting those nutrients that you want to get from the rice. The benefits of it is it helps with hair breakage, frizz, it defines your curls, it helps with dandruff, and also really just refreshing those edges. We'll see if it actually makes a difference in how our hair feels afterwards.
Once you have washed and conditioned your hair, you're just basically going to pour all that rice water on your hair, but for purposes of this video, I dipped her hair into the bowl and then proceeded to pour the rest all over her edges. Once you've poured the rice water on your hair, this is a great time to do a hair mask. Today I used Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote by The Main Choice. Then you just let it sit for 30 minutes in a shower cap.
We are back with the answer to the question. Really? Just need an eye with your hair.
Sorry.
Okay, we're back to answer the question, does the rice water work? And what are the results? How did it feel after you did it? How did your hair feel? Normal? Didn't feel like your hair was any softer?
A little bit.
Yeah?
I
I feel like your hair is actually softer right now. When I did it, I noticed right away that my hair felt a lot softer, and I just felt like my curls were a little bit more defined. This is definitely not something you want to do every single week, because too much protein can start to damage your hair and make it feel brittle and dry. So I felt like it was just enough to calm down that frizz a little bit and really start to smooth out my hair and just make it feel really soft. I also want to say that I smelled that scent that people were talking about more after I poured all the rice out.
No.
No, you didn't smell it?
I just like felt like I washed my hair with lavender.
I think we were smelling mostly the lavender oil at the top, because that was what I put into the jar with the rice after I poured in all the filtered water over the rice. But after I poured out all of the rice from the jar, I feel like that's when I started to notice kind of like that rotten smell. So you definitely want to make sure you throw the rice out immediately. If I let the rice sit in the trash can, it was going to stink up my house pretty bad the next day. So just keep that in mind.
Did you put rice in my hair?
No, I didn't put rice in your hair. Really? I put water, rice water, that's all. The rice that made the rice water though was really smelly and stinky. So that's the part you didn't really smell.
It smells so good.
Yeah, but you didn't smell the rice in the kitchen.
Oh.
Yeah, so just a little tip on that. Even if you put oil in the rice water, that rice will start getting really smelly. No, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you get a 12-year-old. Parents need to know. This is what happens.
Stop.
Your child acts like they can't hug you anymore. It's okay.
Mom,
So as soon as I turn off this camera, she's gonna be in my lap. So
No.
give me hugs and kisses. So
Stop.
good.
Don't.
It's okay.
Don't pose this. Let's take another one.
Don't worry, I will.
No.
Wow. You okay over there? It's
Yeah.
moving a lot. Shaking your foot.
Don't pose this. Take two. Thank God you
No, we're
missed the
definitely
whole
using this.